This will cover the assembly and disassembly of your Nautilus SnugLock 3-in-1 harness booster. These steps can be found in your user manual. Remove the car seat from the box and lay it on a flat surface.
Rotate the base of the seat so the central front adjuster strap is not twisted.
Ensure there's no remaining packaging materials in the way. From there, align the wheels with the base of the seat and push in to connect. You should hear a click when fully connected. Grab the seat pad fabric and pull up to expose the gutters. Ensure nothing is inside. Next, ensure that your harness straps are secure around the T-slots of the arms. With your other hand, pull up on the backrest and attach the backrest to the base of the seat. You should hear a click when fully connected. Pull the elastic loops through the back of the seat and attach to the loopholes at the bottom of the seat. To attach the seat pad, first unbuckle the chest clip. Then put the seat pad behind the harness straps. Buckle the chest clip. And then buckle the crotch buckle. Ensure there are no twists and turns in your harness straps. You've now completed the assembly of your Nautilus SnugLock 3-in-1 harness booster. We will now cover the steps to deassemble your Nautilus SnugLock 3-in-1 harness booster.
To remove the seat pad, first push down on the central front adjuster strap while pulling the harness forward.
Unbuckle the chest clip and unbuckle the crotch buckle. Now remove seat pad and place to the side. Turn the seat around and undo the elastic loops at the bottom of the seat. Turn the seat back around. Pull the harness straps to the side and pull up on the seat pad.
Push the red sliders towards the back of the seat.
Pull the backrest down. Push the red clips in and remove the backrest from the base of the seat. You have now completed the disassembly of your Nautilus SnugLock 3-in-1 harness booster.